Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to make money while AFK in Greenville. It is a really easy process, so let's get into it. First, head into the dealership and buy this car. It is only 6.5k and is the best for this. After buying it, head to the airport and turn collisions off, as you don't want someone to bang into you and ruin the process. Once you're at the airport, set your cruise control to 85 miles per hour. Now hold the A or D key and press escape while holding it. And now your car is steering by itself and you don't have to do anything. Now, most importantly, if you don't do anything in the game for 20 minutes, you could get banned for inactivity. So make sure to keep pressing buttons or doing something in game before the 20-minute timer runs out. You could also use an auto clicker, which means you don't have to do anything and can leave the game for however long you want. Also, you could take up a job, which makes you more money. But that is all for today. Comment, like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.